Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. The seasons are changing, and when the weather gets colder outside, I often ask myself, why do I live in this state? But the Nightcat inflatable tent makes it bearable because it's so easy to enjoy the outdoors no matter what the weather's doing. This tent is so awesome. It inflates in minutes and it's super versatile. You're not just getting a tent, you're getting a shade canopy too, and it even comes with 2 detachable rooms. When you roll it out, you'll see all of the fasteners and you can actually leave those in place when you inflate, which makes setup quick and easy. We had ours up for 12 days and it saw it all. Sunny 81-degree days, pop-up showers, wind and frosty mornings. The ventilation kept it cool and breezy during the heat, and it held up so well against rain and wind. Just make sure that you use those reflective tie downs, especially if it is windy. I didn't have them up at first when the storm rolled through, but I was still really surprised at how durable the tent was. There's even a vent for a hot tent stove, which makes it super cozy for those cooler nights. The thicker material holds the warmth really well, and the rooms double a layer. They also have the mesh screens so that you can still stargaze without having to worry about pesky mosquitoes. I really like the plastic windows so that you can still get that sunlight and protection from the wind or rain. The open center makes it so versatile, it would even be perfect as a beach canopy. And there's tons of space. My husband is 6'2" and can stand up comfortably inside. And it even deflates as quickly as your mood when vacation is over. The Nightcat inflatable tent changes and adapts just like the weather and makes enjoying the outdoors possible all year long. And that's my point of view.